We're going to explain how to resolve the can't find style sheet to import error when using @Angular/material/theming. This error typically pops up when Angular Materials theming isn't correctly configured, preventing your application from finding and applying the necessary CSS styles. Let's walk through the most common causes and solutions. 1. Incorrect import. Double-check that you've correctly imported the Angular Material theme module in your application's main module. Usually write app.module.tsl. It should look something like this. Import matte button module, matte toolbar module from @Angular/material. Make sure to include all the material modules you are using in your application. Missing even one can cause problems. 2. Missing or incorrect @Angular/material installation. Ensure that @Angular/material and its dependencies are correctly installed. Use the command npm install @Angular/material @Angular/cdk @Angular/animations in your terminal. If you've already installed these, try npm install force @Angular/material @Angular/cdk @Angular/animations to force a reinstall and resolve any potential issues with corrupted packages. 3. Improper theme definition, the core of Angular Material. Theming involves creating a theme. You need to define your theme using a custom CSS file, often named write_styles.scss write, single quote, or similar, that sets your color palettes, typography, and other stylistic aspects. You will import this custom CSS file in your write_angular.json write_ file within the styles array. 4. Check write_angular.json. Confirm that your theme CSS file is correctly listed in the styles array within your write_angular.json write_ file. The styles array indicates which CSS files Angular should compile and include in your application. This array should include your custom theme file, typically placed within write_src/styles.scss write_ or a similar location. 5. Incorrect path in write_angular.json. Double-check that the path specified to your custom theme file in write_angular.json write_ is accurate. Even a small typo in the path can prevent Angular from finding your CSS file, leading to this error. 6. Write_styles.scs write_ content. Make sure your write_styles.scs write_ file actually contains valid SCSS code. Ensure you've correctly imported the Angular Material pre-built themes, like @Angular/material/prebuilt themes/indigo, pink.css write_ for example, or any other theme. Or you've properly defined a custom theme using the @include matte core, mixin, and the $mat theme variable as defined in the Angular Material documentation. 7. Caching issues. Sometimes browser caching or build tool caching can interfere. Try cleaning your project's build cache, using commands specific to your build tool, like npm run build, clean or similar, or hard refreshing your browser, Ctrl+Shift+R or CMD+Shift+R. 8. Module import order. While less common, the order of imports in your app.module.ts write_ can sometimes matter. Ensure Browser Animations module is imported before any material modules, since it's a dependency. 9. Rebuild the project. After making any changes, always rebuild your Angular application using ndbuild, or ungserve if you're running in development mode. This ensures that all changes are compiled and incorporated into your final application bundle. By systematically checking these points, you should be able to identify and fix the root cause of the can't find style sheet to import error and get your Angular Material theme working correctly.